Imagine a pecan pie, but in muffin form. Yep, you heard that right. These pecan pie muffins are so addictive, you might want to hide them from yourself. Now, here's a question. Ever started baking thinking, oh, I'll have just one? Trust me, that's not happening here. Stick around, because these muffins combine the gooey richness of pecan pie with the fluffiness of a muffin. A recipe that's bound to make you the hero of your kitchen, even if you're a beginner. Oh, and don't worry, there's no fancy baking degree required. All you'll need are a few simple ingredients you probably already have. Ready to level up your muffin game? Let's dive in. Alright, here's what you'll need to get started with your pecan pie muffins. 1.5 cups of pecan halves, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Grab your muffin tin and mixing bowls, because this is where the magic happens. Preheat that oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In one bowl, mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the softened butter, egg, and vanilla. Combine everything, but don't overdo it. These muffins need a light hand. Toss in those pecans. Pro tip, finely chop them so you get a bit of pecan in every single bite. Wait, before you pour that batter, are you subscribed yet? Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Are you team pecan pie or muffin? Because today you get both. People who've tried this recipe swear it's life-changing. One bite and you'll see why. Plus, I've had beginners tell me they nailed it on their first try. The combination of buttery pecans and a tender muffin is so good, even picky eaters ask for seconds. Alright, batter's ready, so let's fill those muffin cups evenly. You should have enough for about 12 muffins. Pop them in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the tops are perfectly golden. The moment they come out of the oven, pure heaven in muffin form. And hey, I know it's tempting to dive right in, but hold off for a bit. Letting them cool will give you that perfect texture you're after. So to recap, we mixed the ingredients, added those pecans, baked the muffins, and now we have golden gooey pecan pie muffins just begging to be devoured. This recipe is a game changer for fall baking, and the best part, you made it from scratch. Don't forget to let me know how your batch turned out in the comments and tag me if you post a pic. Trust me, these muffins are as Instagram worthy as they are tasty. Thanks for hanging out, and if you're up for more delicious ideas, check out my other videos.